With the all-new 5th generation 2019 Toyota RAV4, the vehicle premieres yet again at the forefront, both for Toyota brand and for the segment. Dealership arrivals can't come soon enough, with 2019 RAV4 gas set to arrive next month and RAV4 hybrid models following in the late March 2019. The first RAV4 was a true game changer, but no one knew at the time just how big the market shift would create. Much has changed in the 2 decades since then. Compact crossover SUVs have grown in actual size, and segment growth shows no sign of declining. RAV4 is the current best-selling vehicle in its class, doubling volume over the last 5 years to sales of nearly 408,000 in the US in 2017. That makes RAV4 Toyota's best-selling vehicle in the US and the best-selling non-pickup truck in the country. The 2019 RAV4 is, in essence, disrupting the segment it created. It is bringing more support and more utility back while enhancing the agile handling, everyday comfort, and exemplary fuel efficiency that made RAV4 the segment leader it is now. All told, the 2019 RAV4 is designed to tackle urban, suburban, and great outdoor adventures with equal amplitude. The look is tougher and there's greater capability with a new type of all-wheel drive, yet to ride in smoother and quieter, with new comfort touches inside. Power and efficiency both a leap in the 2019 RAV4 thanks to the new dynamic force 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine paired with the 8-speed direct shift automatic transmission in the gas models. In the RAV4 hybrid, the engine is teamed with the Toyota Hybrid System 2 with electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission, making it the efficiency leader of the lineup with preliminary manufacturer estimated miles per gallon of 41 city, 37 highway, 39 combined.